BMW X6 with the actual rattle noise. They came in for the workshop for the rattle noise. I've got it on the video, part 1 and part 2. I'm not sure which video I've got on. But we finally put everything back together. And the rattle noise and the noise, the original noise was from for this engine. It's all sorted out, but we're going to start it up. It's still cold to show you. Alright. You can hear just the engine, normal diesel, but there's no actual rattle and hammering noise from this side here. And this side here, that's how we replace all the stuff that are from the quote. And today we're gonna turn it off and go from there. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.